Well, Fire in the Hole isn't quite open yet, but we're just chilling until they can open it. They're still working on maintenance for it. I mean, it is a new ride and it's not open yet, so only time will tell. All kinds of shady characters in here. Look at those guys.
Go ahead, Marshal. You couldn't hit the broadside of a barn. Ow! Get that crossbow numbers and stop that fire. Get back here and put on pants. I ain't got no pants no more. And I ain't bound no more. They don't call me Bugs for nothing. Don't worry. They don't fight. Hurry! The Bellovers are gonna blow up the bridge! Get that crane over here! Lace up a new plane! You old black man bundles under the chassis! Ain't you even tired, big game, huh? Hurry! Watch that, you chicken! Watch out, you think! You're gonna fall! Now look at what you done! Oh, I think I'm stuck! I can't breathe! Bridge ain't going to hold!
Don't throw that switch! The train's coming that way!
Fire in the hole! Thank you, heroes.
Well guys, thank you for watching this POV of Fire in the Hole, the new school Fire in the Hole here at Silver Dollar City. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube, but you never know what other random POVs I might film for you. Love you all. Stay safe, beautiful, and amazing. Like, comment, share. Peace.